Right, you should have the joining instructions now. So all you do is click on the link there. That will take you to the full joining instructions, and then you need to click on that link there, and then that will take you to that site. Then you have to go to sign in. Just click on that link there and put in the email address that you gave when you registered, and at the moment for the password just click I have forgotten my username or password, and then go for option 2, I remember email but forgot username and password, and then put in your email and click next. And then what is your distributor number? So enter that, and then fill in the capture details 039424, and then submit. The password was sent, so now just check your email for the then you should have a password reminder, and if you don't see it in the inbox just check in the spam folder just in case. And then all you need to do is just click on that link there, and then that will take you where you can enter your own password. So I'm going to put a password in there and then confirm the password and then go to the next one. And once you've entered the password, and make sure it comes up as a strong one, enter it again and then just click change password. So now I'm just going to save those. So the account is now active. So now you can start to have a look through what you've got at the moment. Once you've done that, just go to sign in and then put your email address again. Quickly done that, and then the password that you have set up, and then enter the capture. I'm going to remember me here, so sign in. Right, and that goes to your back office now, so I'm going to save that password, and it shows 27 distributors, and let's say have a look through there. At the moment it's not all available. If you go to my team, and you can look for your sponsors details, and it'll give the phone number and the email address so you can contact them. And if you go to my genealogy, it will actually show your team, and this is all the people that you've sponsored frontline. And if you click on any particular person and they've got a team, so I'll click on that one there, and it shows the team that they've got, and it shows that someone in their team has actually sponsored somebody. When you've chosen the person you want, just click on show info on the left, and that will show the person's details. Okay.